Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video we're going to be looking at how to edit camera permission for sites on OpenGX. So the best thing to do is to open up your settings first. I prefer using the alternate and the P button, that is the keyboard shortcut. And next scroll all the way down to site settings. Here you can control what information sites can use and show. So tap on it and then you scroll down to camera because it's camera we want to work on the camera permissions, so click on camera and then here we have the name of the camera being used. So sites usually use your video camera for communication features like video chatting. You can change the camera. We have another one here, and then next set you can edit the behavior, default behavior, which is the settings the site automatically follow when you visit them. Now, if you want sites to be able to use the camera, leave this turned on. If you do not want to allow sites to use the camera, turn this off. It's as simple as that. Then you can also check their customized behavior, that is, sites listed below follow a custom setting instead of the default setting. So the ones that are not allowed to use the camera, if you had already set them before, they will appear here. Then the ones allowed to use the camera will appear here. You can decide to remove some from the ones allowed to use the camera or to add some not allowed to use the camera. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.